So we are asked to determine the value of x in this equation in less than 1 minute. Don't forget to subscribe. Okay, here we go. All of us know that 16 is 2 to the power 4. So we're going to replace this into this equation. That is 2 to the power x squared will be equals to 2 to the power 4. Okay, at this level we have the same base here, that's 2 and 2. So x squared needs to be equals to 4. That is x squared is equals to 4 for this expression to be correct. Okay, if x squared is equals to 4, then we know that x will be equals to plus or minus the square root of 4. That is x is equals to plus or minus 2. Okay, so we have solved in less than 1 minute.